If you want to upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11 on an unsupported PC without losing your files and without using a USB drive or BIOS, this is the easiest method to do it. This works even if your PC doesn't meet the official requirements. First, open Google, search for Download Windows 11. Click on the first result to access the official Microsoft website. I'll leave the direct link in the description to make it easier. Scroll down until you find the option to download the Windows 11 ISO file. Select the edition, then click Confirm. Choose your preferred language. Now click to download the 64-bit Windows 11 ISO. Before continuing, you'll need a program to extract the ISO file, like WinRAR. If you don't have it installed, go to the official website. The link is in the description. Then click Download. Open the installer. Click Yes. Click Install, then finish the setup. After downloading the ISO file, right-click on it. Select Extract Files. Click OK. Wait for the extraction to finish. Open the extracted folder. Now right-click, click New. Select Text Document. Open the file. Type this command. I'll leave this command in the description so you can copy and paste it. Click File. Click Save As. Save the file inside the extracted folder. In the file name, type upgrade.bat. Make sure it ends with .bat. Click Save. Close the text file. Double-click the file you just created. Click Yes to allow it. Close the command prompt window. Wait for the Windows installer to open. If this method doesn't work, there's an alternative. Click on the address bar, type CMD, press the Enter key. Type the same command. Press Enter, click Yes. Close the window. The installer will open the same way. This command bypasses the Windows 11 compatibility checks. Without it, the installer won't allow you to continue. In the installer, click Change how setup downloads updates. Select Not right now. Click Next. Accept the terms. If you want to keep your files, make sure the first option is selected. If you want a clean install, choose Nothing. Click Next. Wait a few minutes. Click Install and the process will begin. Wait until it reaches 100%. When it finishes, your PC will restart and continue the installation. This may take a few minutes depending on your computer. And that's it. Windows 11 is now installed. If your desktop appears without a wallpaper, don't worry. Go to Personalization. Set a new background. Now open Windows Update. Click Check for updates. Keeping your system updated is very important. One final tip, if you didn't like Windows 11 or if your system is running slow, don't worry. I have a full guide on how to go back to Windows 10, either keeping your files or doing a clean install. Check the links in the description or in the cards above. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.